Oh hey, welcome back to Spooning with Andrew. I'm Andrew. Alright, so today I wanted to axe out a spoon blank from this piece that I broke down last time, but I was looking at my carving axe and it's got a bad ding in the blade. So I'm going to work on getting that back into better shape so that once I do get to axing, it's a pleasant and safer experience. Okay? Okay, I started with a file that I've had in my toolbox for ages, and it's a pretty aggressive way to sharpen your blade, and so it's what I would do first if there's a kind of a serious reshaping of the profile that needs to be done. Because of the ding, that was the case, and so I alternated sides in order to slowly make my way toward a nice apex that takes out the ding and also doesn't take material off only one side so that the blade itself stays balanced. So that's step one. Let's move on to sandpaper. Okay, this is great. I have reformed the profile of the blade. It's decently sharp right now, but I want to keep on working on the higher levels of grit, and so I'm actually gonna, I just used a 320 sandpaper, and I just put it on something flat, use some water to help easier. And now I'm just going to go to a higher grit, and then I'll go to some kind of a buffing compound, and then maybe leather. After that, it should be nice and sharp. Okay, I'm all done. I made it through the two levels of sandpaper, and then the leather that had the buffing compound in it, and then the leather that was bare. And you might be able to see there's a pretty nice polish on the blade. I no longer have the ding that was there, and so we've kind of gone through the process of reprofiling and then working on getting the blade nice and sharp. This will be much safer when I go to axe out my next spoon blank, and should be a lot more enjoyable too. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.